Education is very important for every person and for the whole world. It is not just about sitting in a classroom or learning facts. It is a lifelong journey that helps us grow and think for ourselves. Education helps people find good jobs, escape poverty, and create new ideas. Paragraph 2. Growing as a person. Education helps us discover who we are. It teaches us how to read, how to write, and how to solve problems. When we learn about different people and places, we become more curious. This helps us make good choices in our daily lives. It gives us the confidence to try new things and reach our goals. Paragraph 3. Helping. Society is the best way to make life better for everyone. When people learn skills, they can get better jobs and earn more money. This helps families and helps the country grow. Education also helps us find ways to protect the earth and solve big problems, like climate change. Paragraph 4. Living together in school. We learn how to get along with others. We meet people who are different from us and learn to be kind. Education teaches us about our rights and how to be good citizens. When people are educated, they can understand the truth and live together in peace. Paragraph 5. Conclusion. However, education must be for everyone. Many children in the world still cannot go to school. We must work hard to make sure every child can learn. Education is the key to a better future. It helps us move from darkness to light. Education helps people find work. If you have a good education, you can get a better job. You can earn money to help your family. When more people work, the whole city becomes a better place. It is the best way to stop being poor. When we study, we gain new skills. We learn to read books and use computers. We learn how to talk to people and how to solve difficult problems. This makes us feel strong and happy. We can choose the life we want because we have knowledge. In school, we meet many friends. Some friends are different from us. We learn to listen and to be helpful to others. Education teaches us to be fair and to follow the rules. It helps us live in a world that is safe and quiet. Paragraph 5. Bright future must help every child go to school. Every girl and boy deserves a chance to learn. Education is like a bright light in a dark room. It shows us the way to a beautiful future. Let's keep learning every single day.